This is my dream hair. I could have never accomplished this on my own. I love it so, so much. I'm gonna take the best care of it. No more dyeing at home for me. And BELLAMI Extensions forever. Hi, I'm Steph, also known as the Steph series, and all of my hair recently fell out, if you don't know.
Oh, I can just pick my hair up.
Luckily, a couple weeks ago, I was reached out from Alex and Alfredo that made a wonderful video that didn't reach me the first day.
Steph, we just saw your video and we really feel for you. My name's Alfredo Lewis.
And my name is Alex.
We want to save you. I'm a master hair colorist.
And I am a master hair extension artist. We want to fly you out to Beverly Hills ASAP.
On us.
On us.
But then they DM'd me. Alex was super persistent, and luckily I was able to see his message, get connected with them, and now I'm in California at the BELLAMI Hair Studio, and I'm gonna get my hair transitioned today, and I'm so, so excited.
Let's do it.
It's happening.
Guess who's here?
Hey Instagram, guess who made it?
Hi.
So we made it. She flew in last night. And how was your flight?
It was good. It was very long, but it was good. And I'm just glad I'm here to get my hair fixed finally.
We're here, it's happening, and we can't wait. So stay tuned, because we're gonna be getting into this hair, and we can't wait for you guys to see the end results.
Yep, it's gonna be amazing.
For me, the color is just, you have some darker here with the lighter. So it's bringing it down so you don't have spots in your hair. And for me, it's almost gentle color to fill your hair. Because I almost think when we refill it, because right now it's like...
So what I'm doing now is I'm just assessing the hair right now. As you can see, there's quite a bit of gumminess on some of the ends, and then some of it's still in great condition. Now, for those who don't know much about hair cutting, when the hair's wet and you're dealing with hair like this, think about it like wet cotton. So if you're trying to comb through wet cotton, it's gonna tear, right? So there's certain areas that I'm checking out, particularly around the face, to see how gentle I need to be, and I may end up blow drying it first and then cutting the shape there. So we're determining right now. So we're assessing the situation.
See other people's content, what does good, what doesn't,
Right.
stuff like that. But when I posted that, I thought maybe it would get 1 million views.
But never did you
never
think.
expected.
How many did it get?
Oh, who knows what it's at now. The last time I checked, it was like 55 million.
55 million?
Yeah, and that was the last time I checked, and I haven't got on there in a few days.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Stuff too.
On my hair for a while.
It's just easier to go this way route, and see, it gives you these fun wings.
Yeah, exactly.
And takes away from the fact that, oh, all this craziness happened. And it also frames your
it does.
eyes
It makes
good
it
and
look
your
like I almost did
exactly.
this on purpose.
Yeah, exactly.
How long it could possibly take. We don't know yet, but it's already looking so amazing. I've had so many people tell me I look like Billie Eilish. That's the hugest compliment in the entire world to me. So I am already loving it. I thought we were gonna have to do a whole pixie cut because how damaged my hair is. And this haircut is already looking so much better than I expected. I'm so excited.
Phones everywhere.
Yeah, phones and cameras everywhere.
No, but see, brother, when I do
Love
more,
it.
actually, I think it blends everything.
You just bought some BELLAMI extensions. You absolutely love them. That's awesome. I'm so excited. I've never had extensions before. I've never even had my hair done in a hair salon at all in my entire life. So this is a first experience for me, and it's going so great.
We'll go out tonight and you'll go.
Philip just assessed my hair and he cut these beautiful pieces in the front to shape my face. I'm loving it already. The fringe, it's amazing. So next we're going to do a test strand and then color my hair.
Getting us lunch, thank you. And now the next step will be this great base color and beautiful dimension that we're gonna add in her hair with the blonde. And what I love about Bellami, we're literally at the headquarters, we're at the epicenter of hair extensions right now. So that was a great call for us because we've got this beautiful station, beautiful set, but more than anything, we have the entire warehouse of every single kind of extension, from K-tip to I-tip to wefts to, you know, tapes to anything that we could possibly need in every single shade under the sun for Steph. So even though we kind of have an idea, and Alex and I, we had a lot of FaceTime consultations with Steph, we kind of know where we want to go, but it's nice to just have the options at our fingertips. No matter what happens, we have it. We have it here. Hi, I'm Alfredo Lewis, Master Educator for Bellami Professional, and we're just so happy to be here with Steph. And thank you to Bellami for making this happen, that we're all actually together. It's kind of like a dream come true, right, Steph?
Yes.
We're in our process. Philip did an amazing cut and cut off a lot of the dead ends. And what I'm doing now is I'm actually filling Steph's hair. Alex is going to be coming in and doing an extension install, which is going to be magic for Steph. So we wanted to fill in this color. It's really more about putting back in. Steph took it out.
Yeah, I took it all out.
So I'm coming in and putting it back in. So we've got a gold filler here, and I brought it out to a line of demarcation where I saw that the hair was really white. Lightener actually heats up at the scalp, so it's always going to grab lighter on that base, and so it's a lot lighter and darker on the ends. And with color, you actually want the reverse. The color should be lighter and brighter on the ends, and we know Alex is going to help that happen by the extension install, but we want that to also match with the base on this like really cool edgy cut that she has here that we're going to be doing the extension install. So I actually did test strands too. I do it in the salon on any client, but for Steph it's crucial. So I did 2 in the back, and then you can probably see here I've got 2 going on right here. And I'm going to be doing a fine weave low light, and then I'm going to also be doing a color in between every single one of my foil sections. So we're just testing out the shades that Alex and I kind of talked about of what we think would be good to go with the extension install. So we're just kind of hoping right now, if they come out great, like we hope that they will, I can go right in and do my color application and get that moving so that we can keep this going. We can't wait for you guys to see what happens next.
Yay.
Do you know what shades you're gonna do already, Alex?
I'm pulling beige for the face frame, a little bit of Hot Toffee just for some dimension, and then I'm gonna do like rooted 360, 860 balayage, a little bit of vanilla latte.
Oh my god, it's
Like-
gonna be so
Oh,
fun.
we love vanilla latte.
Vanilla latte is so beautiful.
And how long is it? Like how long do you
It
wrap
just
for?
goes, I told him Mulama was busy.
Okay,
So that's it.
all right.
I told him, well, I'm a little busy.
Actually, I want to get like... Is it looking like healthier? How's that?
I mean, so much.
It's crazy, right?
That's good.
What's up? I'm Alex Pardoe. We're here at Bellami Professional, and Alfredo just finished Steph's color. And this is a perfect base to work off of because we didn't want to put any more bleach on her hair. So what I'm going to do is add in lots of K-tip keratin bond strands for her. Mostly because she doesn't live here, and the K-tips are the easiest maintenance. There's no in-salon maintenance, so that's why we're gonna choose a K-tip. And I'm excited to add a lot of faux blonde to her hair because we're sworn off of bleaching for a long, long, long time. So we're gonna add in lots of faux blonde strands. She has this really beautiful kind of medium blonde base with a great little face frame that we're gonna match up with some extensions. So I'm going in with a lot of rooted and balayaged shades with lots of dimension, just so that we can match her base color and then fake out having lots more blonde in her hair.
No, this is Alex's real hair. It's not his wig.
Why would I don't even wear extensions. You guys are jealous.
They think you have a wig on right now.
My 3 strands of government hair. My 3 strands of real hair. You guys are really coming for me today.
Will flat iron styling make them fall out? She's not going to flat iron her hair.
She won't.
Let's start there.
That's a major key. The only way they would come out with an iron is if you put the iron like directly on the bonds and you hold and sizzle, and that is definitely not going to be a concern. Honestly, with Steph, she's got some, I like to call it breakage. She's got a little breakage going on in the crown and around her face. So I know that I needed a method that was going to be able to go up really high to blend out those broken layers. And then realistically, Steph doesn't live here. So I want something that's going to be like the least amount of in-salon maintenance for until I'm able to see her again. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So K-tips are going to be the lowest maintenance, and I'm able to work up very high on her head to be able to conceal some of that breakage that's going on. We're working our way up. So I am so excited for you guys to see the finished look, and we're going to do a big reveal on all of our TikToks tonight. They're like long blonde summer vibes.
Go to general.
So cute, so good, so good.
So good.
Okay, we'll see you guys soon. If you thought that was amazing, wait until you see the view.
I mean, my jaw dropped when I walked into the Hilton.
Love it.
Like, let's make a trend and we're gonna call it the glazed glam. Okay.
Love
The double G.
Majesty,
3, 2.
Majesty, Paolo is exhausted because Majesty, only Paolo, can take this and give you
A princess.
Stunning.
give you.
I'm at the BELLAMI Hair Studio, and look at this! I got my dream hair back, so happy.
So, Steph, how do you feel?
It feels so amazing.
Dude, you look so good. This was
Stunning.
such a labor of love, and we're so thrilled that we were able to give you your hair back.
Me too.
It's so gorgeous.
Love it.
It was a dream. We talked about it. We manifested it, and here we are.
And here we
It
are.
actually happened. Huge thank you to BELLAMI too for making all of this happen here at their studios with Steph. They were so gracious and treated you like a queen. And I hope we treated you like a queen too.
Of course. A huge queen.
Yes, queen.
It was an honor to be a part of this, and we're so glad you're happy with it.
Thanks to this amazing team.
High five.
Yes! Yes, we killed that!